Hey, welcome to my channel everyone. This is the cheapest 4G smart feature phone by Micromax, the Micromax Bharat one, and this unit is the refurbished one I got from Amazon. So let's find out if there is any defect or functionality issue in this unboxing. Here is the box package I have received from Amazon. The phone came packed with my other purchase, so the package seems big. I paid 1590 rupees for the phone. Normally it costs around 2000 to 2500 rupees. Let's open up the large box first. Here are some bills or the invoice. Here is the box of the phone. It has been resealed by the third party refurbished. Now let's open up the box and check what came inside it. On cutting the third party seal, we have the phone itself. The phone seems to be in a mint condition. The cosmetic condition is nice. Keeping aside for now, we have the user menu here. The battery of 2000 mAh and the Micromax headset. And the final content, we have the charger. Nothing is left inside the box. Now it's time to check the device. Let's try to turn on the device. Hoping there is some power left on the battery. And yes, it has booted. Since it is not a touchscreen phone, we have to use the D-pad. Let me try to navigate with the D-pad. The navigation seems fine. We have WhatsApp, Facebook and YouTube pre-installed, as it is a customized version of Android. We have some apps here. The UI seems fine. It's basic. And everything seems to be functioning well. So that's all in this video guys. And for more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sharkbox.